You're absolutely right. I mean, what a proud moment. And let's cut across inside. Rahul, take it away as the team comes in. Rahul, tell us what's happening.
Well, that's right, Gaurav. The Indian athletes have arrived. In fact, they're just stepping inside the airport. The flight has landed, and already a lot of people, in fact, a lot of people have gathered here. And any moment you can actually see the gold medalist. Well, in fact, you can see Neeraj Chopra. Sorry. You can see Neeraj Chopra being lifted, and you can see people chanting slogans Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And Gaurav, this is a hero's welcome for India's only second individual gold medalist. Neeraj Chopra being carried on the shoulders there, and Neeraj. I'll see if I can get a word from Neeraj, Gaurav. But even though he's being surrounded by CISF officials who are not giving an inch. Neeraj! Gaurav, it's reading. Even the AFI big wigs are finding it difficult to get. Well, these are exclusive visuals, Gaurav, that you can see Neeraj Chopra there, and it's very, very difficult. There are other athletes as well who have arrived. Gaurav, he's been. In fact, Mr. Lalit Bhanot, the chairman of the Planning Commission AFI, just greeted Neeraj Chopra. And everybody wants to have a glimpse, wants to have a picture with the superstar. The new sensation in Indian athletics, of course, the 7th of August 2021, the red letter day in the history of Indian athletics, when Neeraj Chopra won India's first ever athletics medal in an Olympic Games, and it happened to be a gold medal. So that now, Gaurav, Neeraj is from here. The athletes will directly go to the Ashoka Hotel. That's Rupinder Pal. And that's the captain of Indian hockey team, Manpreet. Say hello, Manpreet.
Brilliant.
So that's and Vinesh is there, and you can see a lot of, in fact, all the Indian athletes. That's Gurjant, and so the players are now, the athletes are now. I'll just. So inside, if I can. So not everybody is allowed inside. Well, I'll see if I can make it inside somehow. Now the paperwork is being done. So 81 athletes, 81 athletes have arrived, and the sports minister is going to do a felicitation. There's going to be a felicitation ceremony at the Ashoka Hotel where sports minister, new law minister Kiran Rijiju is going to be present. That's Ravi Kumar Dahiya in his maiden Olympics. He won the silver medal. Ravi bhai, ठीक हो? कहाँ क्या बाहर बहुत भीड़ इकट्ठी कर रखी है आपने? हैं? That's Ravi Kumar Dahiya, and that's Lavlina Borgohain, who won the bronze medal. That's Lavlina. In fact, Lavlina. So that's Lavlina who won the boxing bronze medal. Even as that's Deepak Punia, finished fourth. And it was a it was very heartbreaking to see him finish fourth because he was so close to that bronze medal. But eventually, he had to be content with a fourth place finish. That actually hurts a lot. Let me just take you back to what is happening with Neeraj Chopra. In fact, that's Rani Rampal. That's Rani, the captain of the Indian women's hockey team that played so very well. In fact, the first time they made it to the semi-finals of the Olympics, remember 1980, was the first time that the Indian women's hockey team played at the Olympics, and 2016 they finished 12th. But this time they've made the difference. They've made it to the semi-finals, and they were so close to the bronze medal, but unfortunately couldn't finish with the medal. They have also arrived. It's a huge contingent of about 81 athletes that has arrived here at the Delhi airport. These are exclusive visuals that you are watching here on India Today and Aaj Tak.
एब्सोल्युटली. अच्छा राहुल, ये जो तस्वीरें हैं, ये जो वेलकम दिया जा रहा है हमारे खिलाड़ियों को, खिलाड़ियों के मन में इस समय क्या है? आप उनसे बात कीजिए. उनको घर वापसी भारत लौटकर कैसा लग रहा है? लवलीना बिल्कुल आपके सामने थी, रानी रामपाल आपके बगल में. उनसे बात करके हमको बताइए क्या चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल, मैं कोशिश करता हूं. इनफैक्ट रानी अभी अंदर जा रही हैं, बट बहुत सारे और एथलीट्स हैं. मैं आपको हरमनप्रीत है यहाँ पे. हरमनप्रीत हैं आप भारतीय हॉकी टीम के. हरमन, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? भारत पहुंच के वापस लौट के मेडल के साथ आ रहे हैं आप. हरमन, तो हम आपसे और एथलीट से आप बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं. पूरी की पूरी ये मेंस हॉकी टीम है, और जिस हिसाब से इन्होंने इस बार परफॉर्म किया, 41 साल लगे हैं इनको इस मेडल के लिए, पर ये मेडल आ चुका है और पूरी हॉकी टीम जो है इतिहास का हिस्सा बन चुकी है. और साथ ही जी दिख नहीं रहा.
जबरदस्त तस्वीरें हैं ये राहुल. जिस तरह से नीरज चोपड़ा जब आए, हर किसी का मोबाइल फोन उनके हाथ में था, हर कोई उनके साथ सेल्फी लेना चाहता है. न केवल सुबेदार नीरज चोपड़ा बल्कि पूरी हॉकी टीम, महिला हॉकी टीम, पुरुष हॉकी टीम. आप उन लोगों के साथ ही आए हैं. हमको बताइए किस तरह से उनका स्वागत हो रहा है यहाँ.
जी देखिए, पूरा जो एयरपोर्ट है ये गेट नंबर 1 है, गेट नंबर 3 है अराइवल गेट, और पूरा जो एयरपोर्ट है वो ऐसा लगा कि यहीं पर सिमट कर आ गया है. हर तरह से जो फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट थे, आपने देखा तिरंगा यहाँ पे लहराया गया और स्लोगन्स बोले जा रहे थे. और उसके बाद जैसे ही नीरज चोपड़ा आए, वहां से गेट नंबर 3 से आप लगा लीजिए यहाँ तक उनको कंधों पे लेकर आया. हर किसी को उनके साथ एक फोटो खिंचवाने की चाहते थे, पर हर किसी को मौका नहीं मिला. पर हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि यहाँ से अगर हम अंदर जा पाए. सर अंदर करवाइए ना, करवाइए ना.
What is also very exciting is the fact that the moment Neeraj Chopra came out, or Ravi Kumar Dahiya and Lavlina Borgohain, the moment they came out, there were chants of Bharat Mata ki Jai. Whether it was security officials, the CISF officials, or Airport Authority of India officials, or those who had come to receive them, virtually everyone, Rahul, had their mobile phones out, took this historic picture, because this very clearly, Rahul, will inspire another generation of sports persons in our country, this grand reception, and the fact that we have a new generation of national, international heroes. Rahul.
जी बिल्कुल गौरव, सही बात करी आपने। और ये एक बड़ा मोमेंट है इंडियन स्पोर्टिंग हिस्ट्री के लिए, जहां पर भारतीय खिलाड़ियों ने, देखिए एक वक्त था जब ये लग रहा था कि बहुत अच्छा ओलंपिक गेम्स नहीं जा रहे हैं, पर कुछ वक्त के बाद जिस हिसाब से भारतीय खिलाड़ियों ने परफॉर्म किया वो काबिले तारीफ था। और अब हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं अंदर जाने की, और जहां पर खिलाड़ी सारे मौजूद हैं। जी
Okay, there, look at these images. Look at these images. Everybody there at the airport, they have their mobile phones out. Everyone wants to capture this moment when the players walked out of the aircraft, walked into the airport.
Well,
That's Neeraj
Gaurav,
Chopra. That's
see
Neeraj
the
Chopra
play.
on your television. Yes, take it away, Rahul. Take it away.
Absolutely, you can see Neeraj. That was Neeraj Chopra. In fact, you can see he has there's hardly any space. There's hardly anything that he can do. He's just going with the flow, and everybody wants a piece of cake as far as Neeraj Chopra is concerned. That's the captain of Indian hockey team, Manpreet Singh. That's and Neeraj, कैसा लग रहा है? Neeraj, Gaurav, let me get a word from Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj, so Neeraj is also discussing his schedule with the people from the sports ministry. Gaurav, नीरज, उम्मीद के हिसाब से या उम्मीद से ज्यादा जो रिसेप्शन मिल रहा है आपको? उम्मीद के हिसाब से, उम्मीद से बेहतर आपको रिसेप्शन जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था ऐसा रिसेप्शन? Alright, Gaurav, if you may not have heard what he said, that it feels great to be back home, and this is what I was expecting, and this is but he doesn't know what is in store for him, because outside the airport, Gaurav, I'm hearing that hundreds and thousands of people have gathered, not just for Neeraj. In fact, people from Zajjar, from Sonipat, everybody is here outside the airport, and those lucky ones who got a chance, got an opportunity to get inside the airport are who have made it to the airport are still with Neeraj Chopra. In fact, everybody here.
Has it even sunk in? You've been interacting with these superstars. Has it even sunk in that there's such big national heroes at this point of time?
Okay, yeah, that's absolutely. Gaurav, just let me go through let me just take you through who exactly is sitting there. That's Gurjan, the hockey player, and that's Manpreet, and next to him is our gold medalist Neeraj Chopra, and you've got wrestlers thereafter, and that's Manpreet and Neeraj Chopra together. Of course, Neeraj and both of these players, both these men were part of the history that India scripted at the Tokyo Olympics, because that was the first time in 41 years the Indian hockey team won a medal at the Olympics. And for Neeraj, of course, he's the only Indian and the first athlete, first Indian to win an Olympic medal in track and field. What a great moment this was for India. We're fortunate to witness that moment, Gaurav, and Neeraj. Some rest for him, perhaps, because he's going to be. There'll be a lot of felicitations in the next few days. Neeraj, in fact, we spoke to him yesterday and were asking him what his plans were. He had not spoken to his father. He said that मैं फादर से बात इसलिए नहीं कर पाया because इतना हर किसी के फोन्स आ रहे थे, कभी किसी के साथ मीटिंग, कभी कुछ. He said I don't want to speak to him and just tell him कि I'll call you later. So he said that I'll speak to you only when I have time. So that's what. So his father is also here. In fact, his father is also at the airport. So a bus will take the entire Indian contingent, all the athletes, to the Ashoka Hotel, and their parents who have arrived here, they are also going to be taken to the airport separately. But every official, you can see every policeman, every wants to have a piece of cake, and that's Neeraj Chopra. They want, everybody wants to be seen with the champion, with the man of the moment. That's Neeraj Chopra. That's the hockey team heading to the exit area. From there, they're going to get their immigration process done. And that's Harmanpreet. That's, you can, all right, a lot of big wigs also you can see. They are here, Gaurav. Lavleena is also here. All right, let me get a... Lavleena, आप आज तक... I think the parents or the officials, still, let me... All right, Gaurav, the players are, in fact, that's the RT-PCR process. We have to submit our, we have to complete our RT-PCR test here and wait for the results. In fact, I also landed at the just a few minutes ago, and I also have to get the process completed. And that's Ravi Dahiya, that's Deepa Punia, and that's Rajiv Tomar, the coach, one of the coaches with the wrestling team that got 2 medals. India won 2 medals from wrestling, which has now become a sport in which India have finished with at least a medal since 2008. Remember, the first time the wrestling won a medal for India was back in 1952 at the Helsinki Olympics, where KD Jadhav won India's first individual Olympic medal. Thereafter, 2008, 2012, 2016, and this time, Bajrang Punia and Ravi Kumar Dahiya, a silver and a bronze each for both of them. But man of the moment still, you can see the biggest crowd or rush you would see would be around Neeraj Chopra. It's hard to get a glimpse of him, but we'll still see everybody getting a picture, getting to meet somehow the man of the moment. That's Neeraj Chopra. What a moment it was for India. All right. Okay. That's Neeraj. Well, I wonder, Gaurav, if he has slept in the last 2 days, because yesterday morning when I met him, he said that he hardly had a sleep. He hardly slept for a couple of hours. In fact, 1 or 2 hours at most. And he said that I've been busy with the calls. I've been busy with those interviews, video interviews. And that's Lavleena Borgohain. Right.
You know, look at the excitement, look at the happiness. I mean, it's so simply amazing when you look at all that's happening inside. You look at what's happening outside the airport. Then the felicitation at the hotel in Delhi, and then felicitations back home. For example, Neeraj Chopra's mother was telling India Today's reporters on ground कि आज तो डीजे बजेगा और डीजे केवल घर पे नहीं पूरे गांव में डीजे बजेगा, which means they're planning parties and parties after parties. Rahul, that's extremely exciting, and we have Mosmi Singh and Preeti Chaudhary standing by outside the airport. So as we look at these images of our superstars being completely flanked and look at that image. Everybody has a mobile phone out. Everyone wants to